Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 13th, 2020, and today's video we are going to talk about Cardano and give you all a heads up as to what the trap is going to do in the price movement for this particular market. Now, before I get into that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. Hit the like button and share the video. You can also subscribe to our channel to make sure that you stay updated and you're able to see all of our other price predictions and forecasts into the cryptocurrency space, all without being confused. So you guys can see right here, Cardano. On our last video, we was expecting the trap to increase the value of Cardano. Right there on October the 10th is when we did our last forecast into the market for Cardano. So it's been about 3 days. You guys can see the performance of the trap of those 3 days of how he's been inching his way higher in price. Now, it's not as dramatic as what Bitcoin's movement has been over the last 3 days, but all in all, the battle between the sellers and the trap is still ongoing. He's been fighting against all of the selling that has been coming through the market for the last 4 days, and he is definitely winning in that particular war. But the question is, how high can he take the market? You guys can see on this particular price chart that we've been eyeing around 12 cents ultimately before we'll start seeing some of the selling appear into the market. But it's been coming on into the market every day since our last video. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to just go ahead and take this particular forecast out the market, which is about 2.6%, and get rid of it. And we're just going to update you all into the market for Cardano, because the euphoria, like I told you in Bitcoin, is not relatively seen in the market for Cardano. So let me show you Bitcoin real quick. So you guys can see right here in Bitcoin that the market movement in Bitcoin over the last couple of days has been a little bit more pertinent and directional than what we're seeing right now into the market in Cardano. So that's why we went ahead and took off that 2.6% profitability into the market in Cardano. Now you guys can see here that the market in Cardano is bouncing and hitting its head against 11.5 cents. That's what the trap is fighting against right now in order to increase the value of the market in Cardano. Now when you look at a 3-day chart, the market in Cardano still looks to continue to see higher price. 5-day chart, again, the market here is still exhibiting some market strength. The only thing that I'm real cautious of is that 11.5 cents and 12 cent price. Those two levels definitely needs to be watched for more sellers entering the space. Okay. So all in all, the market overall in Cardano, I'm just going to wane and not put in a forecast into the market in Cardano right now. I definitely need to allow the trap to continue to work. We need to get a little bit more formidable information from him to give us all the understanding as to what the market is going to do in the long term. Generally the market in Cardano is not all that weak and it's not all that strong. So you can play this market, right? You could play on this market, but it would definitely have to be on a smaller time frame, literally like on an hourly time frame, to watch the market in Cardano move higher in price. And I'm definitely still seeing instances of selling coming into the market right now. Even on the 4-hour chart, I'm still seeing hints that the trap is still running across sellers, and sooner or later the market is going to dip, it's going to drop, and we just need to see where that pinpoint, that location is into the market. Okay, so looking at the market right now in Cardano, you guys can see right here that we finally broke the trend to the downside right here during these particular 4-hour price bars. So yeah, the market is trying to fight up. It's trying to move higher in price. But for us, there's nothing concrete, nothing substantial for us to continue to go on with the market moving higher in price. All right. So on this particular video, we're just simply here to give you all our updated price expectations from the trap. And we're not looking for anything really to be played out. I will tell you that the trap is winning against the market. Okay, he's definitely winning against those who are trying to lower the price. But the only problem is 11.5 cents and 12 cents. So let's see this. If we were to put in another forecast of higher price into the market in Cardano from 11.5 cents, that will only be 1 3/4% profitability. 12 cents, 6.32. Okay. So, I mean, you guys can take it either way you want to on your own particular forecast. But for us, that is not necessarily geared for us to actually play on, given the fact that we've been seeing the market in Cardano fighting for moving higher in price, for like the last 2 weeks. So we're not going to put in a forecast here, but yeah, I will tell you that the strength is still present, but it's not to the point to where we're going to break, from our standpoint, to where we're going to break 11.5 cents or even 12 cents to the upside. Not yet. Okay, so we're here. Yes, we're telling you that the market is exhibiting strength today, but we're definitely paying attention to around 11.5 cents and 12 cents. Now, that's something that you all will have to come to grips with for your own individual particular situation. Let us know with a comment in the comment section as to what you're seeing in market in Cardano. For us, we're seeing some slippage going on for those who are interested in trying to increase the price of Cardano. Okay, it's still there, but we're definitely eyeing 11.5 cents and 12 cents to see more selling come into play. Now, as we go throughout the next 3 days, and we definitely see the trap overcome the selling that has been appearing, then yeah, we're still on course for the market in Cardano to continue to move higher in price. But we have to wait. Well, for us, we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen into the market. Okay, so this is just our perspective. Now, what do you see? Do you see the market getting tired? Do you see the trap getting tired of increasing the value of Cardano? If so, let us know in the comment. Or do you think we're going to blow right past 11.5 cents and 12 cents? Definitely like to know that as well from your perspective on what you're seeing on the price chart. This is our particular situation. This is what we're seeing right now into the market in Cardano. So we want you to tell you yours. What is your prediction? What is your expectations in the market in Cardano over the next 3 days? This video was just simply an opportunity for me to dispel some of the things I'm noticing on the price chart. Now it's your turn. What do you see? Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again on our next video.